Today we're gonna have a preview tour of this beautiful modern home here in Mondiano Valley, priced at 53 million, beginning with its two-car port here on the right side, which can fit your two full-size SUVs. And tara, pasok na tayo sa loob ng bahay. This property has a lot area of 305 square meters and a floor area of 450 square meters. Meron siyang 4 bedrooms and meron din siyang maids and driver's quarters. You have your solid wood door here. As you enter, this is your powder room, and down here sa baba, you also have a ground floor bedroom which has its own toilet and bath, and then meron din siyang sariling cabinet space. And look at this as we enter. It's just a very beautiful space that your family can go and enjoy. As you can see, the double height ceiling and yung napakaganda niyang chandelier just looking down on you. Here we are in the double height ceiling living area with your beautiful staircase and your chandelier. On this side will be your 6 to 8 seater dining table, and you have a kitchen. Meron din kayo service kitchen doon, and you also have a maids and driver's quarters. Akyat tayo sa second floor. Here in the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms, and meron ka ring third floor na meron kang hall that you can be converted to another bedroom. The 2 bedrooms here has their own toilet and bath. And look at this, sobrang ganda ng ating chandelier. This is your master's bedroom. You have your balcony, which has a view of Mount Makiling in Laguna de Bay. And this is your master's bedroom, comes complete with your cabinets, and you have your WPC ceiling, very beautiful. And hindi lang yon, you also have a walk-in closet that you can close, and you can have your own privacy while you change your clothes. And this is your master toilet and bath, which is very spacious and just the right size. If you would like to see the full tour of this house, you can go on our YouTube channel and visit the full tour.